Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can lock your WhatsApp using your fingerprint. So if you know that, then leave this video. If you don't know that, then watch this video. So first of all, you need to set your screen lock first. So let's go and set our screen lock. Just go to security and lock and screen, whatever in your settings, just set a screen lock first. Okay, so I'm going to set pin lock. Okay, you can set anything, pin, pattern or password. Don't swipe and none. Okay, don't use that options, just pin, pattern or password. So I'm going to use pin, so just okay, and my screen lock is set. Now you need to add your fingerprint, so I'm going to type my pin here, then I'm going to add my fingerprint. So if you did that two methods and two steps already, then you can directly switch to third step. Okay, so I'm adding my fingerprint here. Done. Press OK. Now you ready to rock. Just open your WhatsApp. Okay, I already enabled fingerprint, so I will tell you how to do that. Just go to settings, account section, privacy section, and you will see fingerprint lock. If you not see, then update your WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to disable, back, and you can see now off. Open that, enable that option and touch your finger with your fingerprint sensor and you will rock. Your fingerprint is set. Now you will get three options, which is immediately. So if you select this option, when you close your WhatsApp directly locked with fingerprint. And if you select 1 minute, so after 1 minute your WhatsApp will lock with fingerprint, and 30 minutes vice versa. Okay, so we use these options to secure your WhatsApp and set your fingerprint as a lock on WhatsApp. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So we will meet in the next video.